Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And my brothers, welcome to online classes of Iqra College, a project of Iqra Education System. On behalf of college management, I am happy to felicitate you all to make a headway to your new class. I will be with you in online classes for English in second year. This is the first lecture, and today I would like to explain you how to maintain your register. Yes, register maintenance is the first thing we need to discuss before beginning our academic session. As you can look at the board, there are two portions. In left hand side portion, I have explained you how to maintain register in 6 points. And on right hand side portion, I have explained you how to maintain your index. Now we will go through these two portions one by one. As you have seen that I have written 6 points on the board under the heading of how to maintain your register. I may briefly explain you each point for your better understanding. Let's go through them. Point number 1. Your register may consist of at least 300 pages, because along with your English notes provided to you, we will do quite sufficient amount of work in the register too. Point number 2, you must cover your register with white sheet and plastic cover. This will add elegance to your external presentation of your register, right? As you know, it is commonly said, first impression is the last impression. Point number 3, write your name, class and group on the register. This is for the purpose of your identity. When you submit your registers to teacher, he may return them to the respective students accordingly. Point number 4, make 5 sections of your register: prose, poetry, drama, grammar and composition. Your higher secondary English book consists of 18 chapters more or less. Some of them are literary text and we call them prose, and some of them are poems that we call poetry. You also have a novel named Prisoner of Zenda. This is very interesting novel and we will be covering it in the days to come in the lectures ahead. And apart from these, we will practice some topics of grammar in the grammar section and cover some topics of composition in composition section. Point number 5, write pages number from first to the last page, because writing pages number will help us maintain index and retrieve the specific content in register with the help of page number. Then point number 6, that is index. Index is an integral part of every document or for a collection of contents. So my dear students, it gives us the review of topics and fields of that document. Let's discuss how to maintain your index. First of all, you have to make 6 columns. I'm going to show you the index now. So there are 6 columns given in front of you. So you have to make these 6 columns on 8 to 10 starting pages of your register. Column number 1 is chapter. Column number 2 is date. Column number 3 is topic or content. Column number 4, pages number from and to. Column number 5, teacher signature, and column number 6, parent signature. So you have to maintain these 6 columns on the starting pages of your register. You may make index on about 8 to 10 pages because you need index for prose, poetry, drama, grammar and composition. So I hope you have clearly listened to me and understood how to maintain register, and you will follow instructions as explained and maintain your register accordingly. That's all for now today in the first lecture. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.